The brand new Intellisite.com provides access to industry-leading tools for the economic development organization that you're currently working in. Whether we're talking about industry-leading tools like Business Analyst that allow users to create customized maps based on certain demographic characteristics, here a user might be interested in looking in a specific area for finding out where the population is growing. Here we can search for multiple different demographic variables at once, or we can quickly and easily gather information at granular levels all the way down to the census block, or even at larger geographies such as the county level. Here we can also filter the data and get instant feedback to determine what's going on in a market. A user can also create study areas based on rings, drive times, walk times, any combination of geographies, and with just a couple clicks of a button, run reports such as the business key facts to determine what's going on in the marketplace. How are things changing? And it also gives you the ability to share that information. Here, looking within a specific county, we can determine things like daytime population, find out who the largest businesses in the area are, even find out the lifestyles, the workforce, as well as the business counts per population. There are nearly infinite supplies of infographic templates as well as customized infographics, or you can create your own. Users might be interested in commute data, or lifestyle, or information about what's in my community, or healthcare and insurance statistics. A user also has the ability to bring in their own data or access web maps and layers that might be available publicly from the local or municipal GIS departments. Other popular tools include the void analysis, the suitability analysis, as well as comparative analytics. Users enjoy different kinds of reporting, whether through infographics or also through a standard classic report. Users also have the ability to access the Database USA Data View tool, a tool that allows users to go into markets and determine what businesses are currently there. Here, I might be interested in looking within the state of Texas, within Dallas County. If I wanted to know every business within the county, I could click search and get those results in just a moment's time. I could also go back and revise the search and search by major industry groups such as manufacturing. Here, if I export the data, I can get not only the name of the business, a contact name, an email address, a phone number, I can also get the corporate family tree and determine what's going on in the industry, the revenue trends, an executive directory, and how things are changing within the business. One of the longtime popular tools within Intellisite is the pictometry aerial imagery. This tool provides unlimited access to nationwide aerial imagery shot by an airplane as opposed to a satellite. Here you can see the historical imagery in the area, the ability to go back in time, and to pull imagery to determine how things are changing within a market. I really like the fact that there's both a neighborhood level as well as a community level. Here you can see how much things have changed since 2016 to our current day imagery, which was taken just 2 months from the time of this recording. The newest tool within Intellisite is the Economics Atlas. This tool allows users to go in and determine a metropolitan area. In this case, let's say that I'm interested in looking in Detroit, Dearborn, Warren, and I'm wanting to view this from a specific professional focus. That could be anything from an economic development officer to a retail leasing broker. Here, I'll have the option to look at data ranging from demographics, labor information, employment rates, see how things are changing over the course of time. I also really like the key advantages within the marketplace. I can find out where the advantages are, such as external demand versus business environment and connectivity, as well as affordability. I can find out where they are in the real estate cycle. And I can even get into specific labor data, which all of our economic development offices and organizations are generally interested in. No matter how you're using the Intellisite platform, we feel like there's tools to help you make better decisions to grow your community.